The global subscription market is expected to reach $2.64 trillion by 2028. So how could you start your own subscription box company? Getting started with the subscription box starts off with figuring out what your great idea is. Ask yourself this: what gap are you trying to fill, and what's the demand? Then, why will your product be better and more distinct than your competitors? Lastly, why would someone want to get this on a recurring cadence? Like with any business, think about how and where you're going to get your inventory and your packaging. Next, how will you handle the shipping and frequency of your orders, as well as how you should price your subscription box. Focus on surprising and delighting your customers and making sure that your brand sticks out and attracts your ideal subscribers. Alright, so here's the recap. Starting a subscription box business requires a lot of planning. There's inventory, shipping, and thinking about the customer experience. Identify your great idea, something that customers will love to receive on a recurring basis. And focus on your brand. Think about how you're going to attract and retain your customers. It can seem intimidating at first, but don't worry, you got this. It just starts with a great idea and your desire. And if you need some more help along the way, we got you. Just check out these other e-commerce and subscription videos.